Well, hey guys, welcome back once again to Jack's Tech Corner and another exciting unboxing video. Now, what will I be unboxing today is something I've been looking at getting for a long time. And now with doing YouTube Shorts, I think it's even more critical to have one of these than ever before. And they sell these things pretty much anywhere, but I happen to receive mine from Amazon. So what am I talking about? Well, let's get this big Amazon box here. And we're going to go ahead and open this box up. So what I am talking about here is the UBeeSize ring light set. Okay, UBeeSize ring light set. And don't worry, don't try to look this up right now because there will be a link in the description below where I want you to use the link if you want to purchase one of these things. Now, this thing has great reviews and I'm very excited to have received it, and I hope that the reviews live up to all their hype. So let me go ahead. We're going to start unboxing this thing. I'm going to try to set this up somewhere here, possibly right here by this monitor. And I'll get the camera realigned and we'll have a look of what's in this particular box and what comes with this kit and why I chose it. So guys, I hope you're looking for a ring light also, and I think this may be the one that you might want to purchase. But let's have a look at it because I'm not even sure if it stands up to all the hype. Let's go ahead and get started. I can't wait. All right guys, so let's go ahead and get started here with checking out the UBeeSize, capital UBeeSize ring light set. Let's go ahead and have a look at it here. And I have not had this open yet, so you get to experience this with me for the very first time. So there is the ring light itself. Okay, very big. I think it's a 12-inch ring light. Here is a box of something. And along with it comes a tripod. You can never have enough tripods, except especially lighting tripods. So I think it's very, very important. And what I'm hoping to do with this, once I get this set up, I'm going to show you the total lighting that I receive with this light. So we'll see how that works here. But all right, so they put the ring light in here. It's actually a fluorescent ring light, if you can see that, right? It's a fluorescent. Here's the controls on the bottom. This here, I bought this one because you can apparently put any kind of camera system in here you want. Not just your phone, but any kind of camera system. And on the bottom is the mounting for apparently for the tripod. So this will mount right onto the tripod there. The tripod, I could tell you, is very sturdy. Let me pull this out of here. I don't remember the total height. And like most things in life, there's no directions in here. But what's nice about this tripod, looking at this thing though, this is perfect size to put on like a motorcycle and take this on trips with me. So it's a really nice size ring light. I'm going to loosen up the old top screw there. Okay, so there you go. I believe it was 36 inches. It has nice locking tabs here on the sides. You can see the locking tabs here. Try to get that in the camera. Just flip that up and you can slide and these are very, very thick poles here. It's a very good sized pole. For how small this thing is, it's really, really excellent. So, looks very solid. I'm pretty impressed with it so far there. Let's see what's in the box here. What does it come with? Well, let's experience this here together. So it comes with a lot of different mounts. There's your phone mount. What I was worried about this was, does it go portrait and so it is in the portrait mode right now. It's a spring-loaded mount. So you put your phone in there, spring-loaded mount, and screw on the bottom so we can make it different heights. Okay, right there is a screw on the bottom. So that looks pretty nice. What else do we have here in the box? Oh, check that out. We have a remote control. Okay, so the remote control will allow us to adjust the light. And there's also supposed to be different colors in this lighting here, so that's going to be pretty cool. And as well as the it's a USB adapter, so I imagine I may be able to run this off of like rechargeable batteries and hang them right on the side of the light. And believe me, I'm going to try that. And the plug, which plugs into the light here somewhere. Where does it plug into? Plugs in right here into the side of the light, and this is what powers it. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and put this together, set this thing up, and then what I'm going to try to do is put the GoPro in there, and we'll see what the light looks like. So let me go ahead first and say just a few words to you. I'll get the tripod currently the way I have it set back up with no lights on, and then we'll use the ring light and see the difference. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so now I pulled my GoPro back out away from the room a little bit. This is the actual stand, if you can see this okay on the video. Okay, so it's a very solid tripod. It's just going to open up here. And we'll open it again. And we'll open it again. And there you go. So it's very portable, and it's very solid. Feels very solid. Now, would it blow over in the wind? Yeah, probably. Probably would blow over in the wind. So you'd have to hold it down with something. And when I do photography shoots, when I do photo shoots, what I do is I usually put a sandbag, and I put them on the legs of the tripods to hold this down anyway. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to flip up the top here. Okay. There we go. We'll take our light, and there's a screw hole in the bottom for the tripod. I'll put that on there. And does it turn? I guess it does turn. But we're going to just try to screw this right on the top of here. Just like so. All right. Okay. Now what I want to do is we're going to plug this in, and I'm going to try to plug this in right into the computer here. So let's see if the computer can handle turning this light on. So let's take the cord. The cord that it comes with, guys and girls out there, is approximately 10 feet long. That's a good sized cord. It's USB. We can always add on to this cord if we need to. So we will plug it in. Let's see on the light itself what happens here. If we hover over the, you can actually change the colors. If you can see that, it's actually changing colors. There's an amber light. There's a little dull light. A little bit lower. We're going to try to turn it up all the way. Okay. All right. We can definitely turn it down. We're going to turn it up. Okay, so there's all the way up right there. Android or iOS. So what this is actually for, this is not for the light. This is actually to start your recording like on your iPhone. You can hit it and your recording would start. You'd hit it and it would stop again. There you go. That's what this is for. Okay, I'm going to quickly put the GoPro into this light, and then you can see what kind of lighting it has on me. Let me turn off my one light I do have on here. I do have an LED panel light on. So there, that's what I normally look like. Let's shut this off. And this is what I would normally look like, and I'm sure it looks very, very dark. I'm going to go ahead and throw the GoPro into this mount, and we'll have a look and see what it looks like here and see if we can't use this to light me up. So let's go ahead and switch the camera over. Okay, so I got the ring light all set up and ready to go. So let's see what it looks like when we turn this thing on. Let's reach up here, turn it on. And there you have it. So the ring light's about, I don't know, maybe, if I had to guess, maybe about 3 feet away from me there. And we'll see how it's lighting me up here. So Now I can tell you one thing that I've already found with it. The actual component where you hook the camera in, GoPro, which this thing will accept pretty much any camera. You can put a 35mm camera on here, which I don't know how that's going to work out. And the GoPro, obviously there's a phone mount, so you can put your iPhone in there or your Android phone. The remote will actually start an iPhone or Android phone, so that's nice. It will actually do both, and I haven't tested that, but I will test that out and let you know how that goes. This thing, I'm not sure if this thing will go portrait, and it seems like it's just like mounted a certain way where it's not. It actually looks like it should come off of there. Oh, there it goes. So it will go portrait or landscape. Okay, so that's handy because I usually shoot landscape when I'm doing any kind of videos, you know, how-to type videos. The light itself is very bright, and I'm very impressed by that. What I'm not impressed by, guys, to be honest with you and perfectly transparent, because I did purchase this light. This is not a free giveaway or product placement. What I don't like about it is a lot of plastic goes into the head where the light is. So when I mounted the GoPro, when I went to tilt it down a little bit, it wanted to fall forward a little bit because, you know, it's not the most heaviest duty. But I think I might have paid $30 or something for this light. So it's really not expensive. But I think it'll get the job done, and I think it'll be just fine. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and now I have some bright light here where you can actually see me, and I can't see it, but hopefully it looks okay. I'll see it in post when I'm doing the editing of this video. But I wanted something to do. I also have a couple other YouTube channels where I do garage type videos and install videos on motorcycles, and I wanted something to light up the area and something that didn't take up a lot of room. And I think this was going to fit the bill because the camera and the light is together. The light is perfectly on me, and I think it's going to work out just fine. So thank you very much for watching this. If you've enjoyed this type of video, if you enjoy photography videos, or if you enjoy how-to computer videos, or you're a server administrator or something of that nature, you know, please think about subscribing to this channel. I would appreciate that. And until next time, remember, keep practicing, keep editing, keep shooting photography, and keep working on your computer systems and servers and learn all you can. I will talk to you next time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you back here then. Bye for now, everybody.